when I was in India, I came for a
Okay.
trip to India.
Mhm.
So my parents literally pampered him a lot, and he's not listening to me anytime. I was really confused.
Mhm.
And then I came to know about this group, this parenting one. So, and then I joined this after talking to you for some, I mean, like for some classes when I was in India. And after
What
the
was the
getting the,
transformation this community and the program brought into you and your child?
he changed a lot, I can say.
Okay. What about you?
um, and me, a bit confidence that I don't need anyone's help, you know.
Okay.
Like I was thinking like to get my parents here so that they can help me, and now I'm like I'm okay to handle with him.
Okay. Yeah. In fact, there are a lot of parents in our community who initially they're not interested in having a second child. They go for the second child after they become.
Yeah.
In fact, my wife is one such example. No matter how much I convince her, she always wanted to stick on with only one. But she learned so many things on parenting. She wanted to implement everything from the day one. Because we
Yeah,
started
yeah.
this kind of a program, and my daughter was around 4.5 years. So
Hmm.
for my son, we started everything in the womb. We started.
Wow, that's
Okay.
really
So,
great.
what is that message? One single message you have to give to people in our community or those parents who wants to probably get into a program like this. What is
um,
your single message you think that, but probably you can reach out to the other parents?
there is nothing that we can't do.
Okay.
We can just we need to explore, and we just need to spend some time with the kids. That's the